Hi everyone, welcome to EPIT Research Labs Private Limited. Today the project is about military spying and bomb disposal robot. Uh, the overview of the project. So here we are using to collect the bomb and dispose to the larger area to a different area using our hand, and we are used to cut the wire using the cutter, and we are monitoring complete action using our ESP32 cam. So we are using here NRF models, which we get about 500 meters of range, and the endurance of the complete system is about 30 minutes. So let's go to the working of the project. Then I would like to explain you what we have used for this project. I am turning on the power supply. So even I have to turn on my receiver. So I turned on my receiver. So transmitter, you can see the light in the transmitter. So firstly I'm checking the connectivity of my receiver and the transmitter. I am checking with the hand. You can see my hand is lifting up. Even I can check my hand. I need to collect the bomb, so I am collecting the bomb. The bomb is collected here, and even I need to cut the wire. So for that we have a cutter. You can see it is cutting. So firstly I would like to check it with a wire. So even I can collect any piece like bomb or anything using it collects it and it lifts up. So let's go to the working of it. I would like to go to the war field and check the working of it. Before that, we have used a camera for it. We wanna show how camera is connected with the mobile and how we are getting the video feed. So we have connected our USB32 cam with the mobile application. You can see every actioning we are getting in the cam. I just removed my hand. We are getting it is on the mobile. So we just wanted to uh, have a working of it. We would like to go in a field, and we would like to make the working. We came for the working. Let's check the working. So So it is so powerful that it can lift to the stones. It can even climb to the stones. It can cut a large, high length of conductors. It has a very high power. Let us check with some stones. We are lifting the bomb. Sorry, it's my fault. I'm lifting it up, and I'm going to some area. So I'm dropping it here. I will join the field. for cutting wires I have. Even I can check it with the mobile app and I can cut it. It can give a longer range for 500 meters and an endurance of 30 minutes. Thank you. And for more videos and for any doubts, you can go through our app engineering projects, and we also have a community engineering projects. For any technical help, contact us through our mail varun@epitresearchlab.com. Thank you.